Hello everyone, so this is Edmond Amendaros channel at sa videong ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to open GoTime Bank and register account via app. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng GoTime Bank? Isa din ito sa pang-anim ng digital bank na accredited dito ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Isa din ito sa Leverages Expertise Partnership ng Gokongwei Group of Companies na multi-country digital banking group Time Bank. So no minimum balance ang requirements dito. Safe din ito gamitin dahil sa login attempt shielded advanced protocols na naka-align sa banking standards. Kaya kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano ba mag-register at mag-open ng account via apps, then stay tuned ka lang at start na natin. So ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-open dito yung ating Google Play Store. I-click mo lang. And then dito lang sa searching address bar, i-click mo lang and then type mo lang dito yung GoTime. Ayan, so makita mo kaagad dito yung GoTime Bank and then i-click mo lang. Then next, hanapin mo lang dito yung GoTime Bank Philippines. And then ito na siya and then install lang natin and then i-click mo lang. At kapag na-install mo na siya and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then makikita mo na dito yung welcome niya na GoTime Bank. Okay, and then may ma-pop up ng notifications dito ng allow or don't allow. So select lang natin dito yung allow. And then since wala pa tayong account dito and then kailangan tayong mag-create. Okay, so i-tap mo lang dito yung open an account. And makikita mo na dito yung to open an account, you need to be 18 years old or above, have a valid ID, be in lit locations to take a selfie, and then have a home address in the Philippines. Ayan. And then kapag okay na lahat sa'yo, so I have read and agree to the GoTime Bank terms and conditions. Kailangan mo naman itong basahin bago ka mag-proceed. And then yung kanyang privacy policy, and then yung terms and conditions kapag okay na, i-select mo lang dito yung circular icon dito lang sa bottom right corner para mag-proceed tayo. And then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung let's start. Okay, so next step, select your citizenship. Okay, so select mo lang dito yung Philippines and then itap mo lang dito yung next. And then enter your mobile number. So we'll send an OTP to this mobile number and then enter lang natin kung ano yung mobile number na i-registered mo. And then i-double check mo lang kung tama yung mobile number na in-enter mo. Kapag okay na, itap mo lang dito yung verify with OTP. And wait lang natin yung ma-receive natin dito na OTP. Kapag na-receive mo na, ayan, na-enter mo na siya. So enter your email address. Make sure your email is correct so we can send you statement and banking updates. So enter lang natin dito yung ating email address na active. So yan yung kailangan natin i-enter dito. Kapag na-enter mo na dito yung email address, so double check kung tama lahat and then itap mo lang dito yung next. So we save your email, so we will send an email verification link to this email address and then kailangan lang natin i-open dito in the next. And ganito na yung marireceive mo na email na verify your email address. And then dito lang sa baba, kailangan mo lang itap dito yung verify email address. And then your email address has been verified. Ayan, and then close lang natin ito and back on. And then itap mo lang dito yung continue. Ayan, so get exciting news and updates. Would like to us to inform you about new features. So nandito naman yung dalawang option na yes or maybe later. Tap mo lang dito yung yes. Okay, then next step. Time to take a selfie. So remove your glasses, mask, hat, anything that covers your head and face, including heavy makeup. Nandito naman yung other informations. Itap mo lang dito yung next. Okay, and then tap mo ulit dito yung next. Then next step, makikita mo na dito yung take selfie. I-click mo lang. And then select mo lang dito yung notifications na while using the app, only this time or don't allow. Ito yung options. So select lang natin yung while using the app. And get ready for your selfie. Selfie lang tayo. Uploading encrypted 3D face scan. So wait lang natin. Selfie verified. Ayan, the next step, dito na tayo sa get your valid ID ready. So we'll show you a list of accepted IDs that you can use on the next screen. Ayan, so makita naman natin dito yung other details na all info must be readable. So the whole ID inside the frame, no parts are covered or tampered, there's no shadow or glare. Ayan, so follow the instructions except for Philippine passport, the front and the back of all other IDs must be scanned. Ayan, okay, and then next, itap mo lang dito yung scan ID. So yung mga ID na pwede natin gamitin yung select ID type. So ito yung mga pwede natin gamitin, yung PhilSys ID, ito yung national ID natin, driver's license, yung ating UMID ID, postal ID, voters ID, yung Philippine passport, and then yung PRC, and then yung SSS ID natin. Yan yung pwede natin gamitin dito. And then ang isi-select natin dito, yung pinakauna lang, ito yung PhilSys ID or yung national ID natin. I-click mo lang. And then position the front of your ID inside the frame. Then now flip your ID so we can scan the back of. Ayan. So next is your ID info readable. So tingnan mo kung readable siya. So if any of the info isn't clear, rescan your ID. Ayan. So makikita mo na na-scan na natin yung ating ID. Readable naman siya. And then kapag okay na, itap mo lang dito yung yes, upload this ID scan. Uploading encrypted ID scan. Wait lang natin. Photos uploaded. Ayan, just a few steps to go. Okay, so as this details correct, so i-double check mo lang doon sa ID mo kung tama yung nakalagay dito na details. Ayan, so i-check mo lang yung ID number, full name, and then yung date of birth kapag okay na. And then yes, i-click mo lang dito yung yes, that's correct. Kapag hindi naman, pwede kang mag-rescan ng ID dito, i-click mo lang. So tap lang natin dito yung yes, that's correct. And then enter your place of birth. So country of birth, Philippines. And then click mo lang yung arrow na yan. Select lang natin dito or hanapin natin dito yung ating place of birth. Kapag nahanap mo na, select mo lang siya. And then itap mo lang dito yung next, dito lang sa baba. And then enter your home address. Okay, so dito na tayo. So country and then house and unit number, street address. Ilagay lang natin. Ayan. So, ang una mong ilalagay dito ay yung province muna, and then next, ito yung municipality, and then ito na yung susunod yung barangay para mahanap mo kaagad yung barangay. Ayan, kapag na-enter mo na dito yung country, street address, number, barangay, municipality, and then yung province, and then itap mo lang dito sa baba yung next. Okay, so the next step, select the industry you work in. Ayan, so nandito naman yung mga industry kung saan ka nagtatrabaho. Pwede mo naman itong mag-select. So, select lang tayo. Kapag self-employed, pwede mo naman i-select dito, or unemployed student, pwede mo naman itong i-select. So, select lang natin dito yung self-employed, and then itap mo lang dito yung next. And then tell us what you do for a living. Ayan, so yung occupations mo, ilagay mo lang dito. Kapag na-enter mo na dito yung occupations mo, and then itap mo lang dito yung next. And then dito na tayo sa another step na select your main source of funds. Ayan, so allowance, business proceeds, donations, government. Ayan, so nandito lahat. So select mo lang dito kung saan mo kinukuha yung main source of funds mo. Kapag nakaselect ka na, and then itap mo lang dito yung next. And please wait. Okay, so dito na tayo sa next step na confirm your tax residency. Ayan, so please add all the countries that you are tax resident in maximum 4. So select lang natin dito yung Philippines, and then kapag nakaselect ka na, and then dito lang sa baba, itap mo lang dito yung next. And next step, dito na tayo sa tax declaration. So I confirm that the information provided is correct and complete. If any of these changes, I will inform Go Time Bank within 30 days. Kapag okay na, itap mo lang dito yung confirm. And then kailangan tayo mag-create ng ating username. So your username must have 8 to 32 characters, start with the letters, not included any special characters. Ayan, so kailangan natin i-follow dito yung kanyang steps. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na nag-green na siya. So ibig sabihin ay approve yung ating nilagay na username. So pwede mo naman pag samahan dito yung letters and then yung numbers. Wag lang yung special characters. Ayan, so dugtong-dugtong yan, walang space. Kapag okay na, itap mo lang dito yung next. And the next step, dito na tayo sa set your passcode. You'll use this to log in to the app. Ayan, so kailangan tayong mag-create ng passcode. So passcode can't be your birth date in numerical order or made up the same numbers. So kailangan tayong mag-create ng 6-digit na passcode. And then confirm your passcode. Enter lang natin. Pag confirm, dapat parehas lang din para hindi tayo magka-error. Ayan, so makita mo na dito na your passcode has been set. So you'll use this to log in the app and kiosk. Don't share this passcode with anyone. Click mo lang dito yung got it. Alright, so makita mo na dito na your GoTime account comes with Go Rewards. Okay, so click mo lang dito ulit sa baba. Ayan, so pwede na tayo mag-login dito. Alright, so login lang tayo. So dito naman may mga referral code na pwede mong i-enter dito kung mayroon kang alam. So redeem referral code. Kapag wala naman, click mo lang dito yung I don't have the referral code. Select mo lang siya. Ayan. So, makita mo na dito na nakapag-create na tayo. So, ito na yung account natin. Alright, so makita mo na dito yung ating name, ayan, and other details, personal information, limit settings, help center, terms, conditions, nandito na. Okay, so nandito naman yung deposit, send and transfer money, scan QR code, and other details, nandito naman siya mga kaibigan, buy, load, and P-bills, pwede dito, crypto and gold, USD time deposit, open, GoSave account, and explore. Ayan, so nandito lahat yung kanyang features mga kaibigan. So, ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-open ng account ng GoTime Bank and then mag-register gamit lang yung ating app. In hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa GoTime Bank app tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.